guys, today we'll talk about how can you add Ankidroid directory on your Ankidroid app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so just click on settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to advanced here, you just click on it and just click here on advanced. It's going to take you to next CPU. Come here to Ankidroid directory here. Just click on it. It's going to show for you this like this. Here add Ankidroid directory. Just add it here. You click here on OK, then it's going to add with you here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.